Hi everyone, introducing the Voltera Shield 2. It has Regatta's waterproof and breathable Isotex membrane, which has tape seams and DWR finish. It is insulated with Regatta's Thermoguard Synthetic insulation. It has an active battery-powered heating system for external battery packs, with an internal pocket and USB connector, which will heat up a back panel and 2 chest panels. It has an easy on-off button, hold for 3 seconds to turn on. It has 3 heat settings, which are colour coordinated. Red is the hottest setting, white is the medium heat setting, and blue is the lowest heat setting. Then hold the button for 3 seconds to turn off the heated jacket. It features a high-tech water repellent zip with hook and loop storm flap, 2 zipped lower pockets, 1 zipped chest pocket, an adjustable shock cord hem, and features a grown-on hood with a volume adjuster to the back and 2 draw cord adjusters to the front.